how to use Tailwind for Pinterest. So we are going to learn how to use Tailwind to create a pin. We're also going to learn how to use Tailwind AI to create your title, your description, how to schedule it within Tailwind, okay, and then know the exact day that is going to be live on Pinterest. And after that, you will see it from your Tailwind dashboard, the time, just like this one, when your pin is going to be live, and then it's going to be posted right on your Pinterest account for you. Okay, so the first thing is to create an account that is a Tailwind account. I'm having a link in the video description. It is going to show you how to create an account if you don't have one already. Okay, and then simply come here to where it says create and come and click on the create, and then we are going to create a pin. Okay, so we are within the design, and over here you can create an image with the ghostwriter. Okay, you can also come here to the site photos, and then the exact website that you want to download the pictures from. You can come and put the URL here, and it's going to extract all the image. You can also use the stock photos. Then you can come and then search for the exact photos that you want. So I'm going to type in nails, and it's going to bring free copyright images with nails that I can use. So I am going to select this one, okay, and I can use it to create my pin. So as you can see, I have selected it. I can remove it if I don't want it, okay. And when you look here, you see that we have the feed post. So when you click on it, you are going to get that type, okay, of pin. We also have the stories. When you click on it, you are going to get that types, and then we have the pins as well. When you click on it, you are going to get that type of pins. And over here, the photo count, when you click on the down arrow, you can come and then select multiple photos. You can come and select one photo. You can come and then select no photo at all, and then any number of photos. Okay, so let me show you that one also, how to go by it. Okay, so you have to come and then select another image by selecting this one, and as you can see, I have two photos, so now it is now multiple. Okay, so when you come here to where we have the photo count, it is now within the multiple photos. Okay, so that is it. You can select one or remain it at the multiple photos as well. Okay, so that is it. And when you come here to the categories and then you click on the down arrow, you can come here to the content and you can come and then select the type of pin that you want: product, blog post, okay, FAQ. We have the how to, the list, the news, and all that, and all these that you can select. Okay, so and beside picking images, you can also upload your own images as well. Okay, so let me remove these images, and then I'm going to show you how to use my own image by coming to click on drag and drop here. Okay, then you select your own images that you are going to use, and then you come and click on open, and then from here, as you can see, I have selected my own images. Okay, so you can select your own images as well, and as you can see, I'm within the multiple photos. Okay, I can change it if I don't want to. Okay, and then from the category, I can click here and I can come and then select seasonal and then select summer. Okay, because it's a summer nail. Okay, but if you don't want it, if you don't want the seasonal, you can come and then remove it by clicking on the delete. Okay, and it will be removed just like this one. Okay, so now you can select the one that you want. Okay, and when you come down here, you see that we have the color. When you click on the down arrow in front of the color, you can come and then select the exact pen colors that you want. Okay, so you can select any of these, but I'm going to leave mine at the default. Okay, and what you have to do is simply come and then click on this edit icon. Okay, the one that you prefer, that you want to use as your pin, you click on it to open in the default mode, the editing mode, just like this one. And then the title, you can come and then double click on it. Okay, and then over here, the opacity, you can change it. Okay, all that you have to do is simply reduce it and it will be changed. Okay, and then we also have the text size. You can come and then increase the text size. Okay, and then reduce it. It depends on how you want it. We have the shadow, we have the line, and then the line spacing as well. Okay, so I'm going to change the text size, okay, by reducing it so that it fits perfectly, okay, within my pen. Okay, and over here the fonts, you can come and then change it as well by clicking here, and you have all these fonts. So I'm going to select this font, which is nice. Okay, good. And as you can see, I have been able to change it. Okay, so the next thing is the font color. So come and then click in front of the opacity, the color, come and click on the color, and then I can change it. Okay, so I'm going to select this color, and that is going to be the font color that I'm going to use for my pen. Okay, so that is it. So when you're okay, you have done it, come and click on select design, and it will be selected. Okay, so from here, as you can see, one design selected, and then you have to come and then click on review designs. Okay, just click on review designs when you are done, and then you see that your design is here. And then where we have the design summary, we are going to see that we have the option to download the design. So I'm going to download it on my PC first, so in case of anything. Okay, so when you click on download the design, it will ask you to select any of these, and then come and then click on confirm to download it. Okay, so when you click on the confirm, it will be downloaded for you on your PC, and then you can come and click on go to schedule. Okay, so when you click on go to schedule, you have to come and then select your Pinterest account that you want to schedule it. If you have 2 or more accounts linked, okay, and then come and click on confirm. And from here, it will take you to the pin scheduler. Okay, that is where you are going to write your title and description for the pin. But you are going to use the AI within the Tailwind, which is Ghostwriter. It is going to write everything for us by clicking on it. So let's click on it. And then from here, all that you have to do is to simply come and then tell something about it. Okay, so you can come and then select the category. So mine is within the lifestyle content, and then come and then write something about it. That is the title, okay, of the pin. So mine is summer nails, and come and then check the box to add key phrase. Okay, so I'm going to write something about it, and that is summer nails ideas for short nails in 2025. Okay, so when you are done, the call to action, you can leave it like that. Okay, and then simply come down here and come and click on generate pin details. So the AI is going to generate the details plus the title for you. Okay, and come and click on save details. So when you click on it, from here you can see that the title, the AI has given us a ranking title, okay, that it's preferred, it's going to get views, and then the description as well, which is good. All that you have to do is simply come and then put in the website where you want to link the pin to. Okay, so if somebody see the pin and then click on visit site, that is where they are going to go. Okay, and so after that you have to come and then select the board. Okay, so this is going to be my board. You can also come and then create it yourself, okay, by coming to click on the save board list. Okay, so when you click on it over here, you can come and then create your own board. Okay, that is your own board list by clicking on create new list, and then you can simply come here and then name it. Okay, so I'm going to name it summer new ideas, and then over here you have to come and then choose the particular board. After that, come and click on save list. Okay, and that is it. Okay, the next thing is to come and click on this to schedule it. So when you click on it, you have to come and then select the month and then the day. Okay, so the day, and after that, under it you are going to see the time. Okay, and then you set the time. So under it you have the time, and then AM or PM, you select it, then you come and click on schedule, and that is it. Your pin has been scheduled. To find it, just go to the dashboard by clicking on the dashboard, and then scroll down. Okay, scroll down to the button, and you are going to see the day. Okay, so from here we have scheduled it as the day. Okay, and then one pin has been scheduled on that day. Okay, and this is it, and this is the time. So let's say you want to change the time. This is not the time that you wanted it to go live. All that you have to do is to simply come and then click on the pin. Okay, so when you click on it, it will bring this, and then from here you can do the edits. You can unschedule it if you don't want to. You can even delete it. Okay, and then in front of the time, come and then click on the settings. Okay, so when you click on the settings, come and then select the time. Okay, so come and click on custom time. So when you click on it, you can come and then change it. Okay, by first select the month, the day, and then the time that you want to schedule it, or you want it to go live on your Pinterest account. Okay, so after selecting it, so this one I'm going to select 30 minutes. Okay, so after selecting it, the PM, I'm going to leave like that and then click on save, and that is it. You will see that it has been saved at the edited one, and then this is the time it's going to go live. Okay, so now let's go to our Pinterest account and see if it is live. And as you can see, from created from Pinterest, this is the pin that I just created, and it is live. Okay, so let me click on it for you to see, and it is live. Okay, so this is how to use Tailwind for Pinterest. If you have any questions at all, leave in the comment down below, and then see you in my next video.